So for me, I think it's just, what am I capable of?
I'm Jake Spotswood, Ironman athlete, entrepreneur, and this is what chasing growth looks like. I'm coming out here to test my mind, test how far I can go, and just keep challenging myself. I was looking for any edge that I could get that would support my testosterone. So when you look at Mars Men, it's got Tonga Ali, Shilajit, all the vitamins you need as a man to support testosterone. I added these couple things, and now I'm seeing this increase in how I feel and how my body's performing. I've kind of always felt that, like in athletics. It's set lofty goals, visualize, do everything you possibly can to get them.
And I believe we're capable of far more than we think.
Every finish line starts with a decision to keep going.